Morning YouTubers, sorry about the wobbly camera. I'm in Kingswood Local Nature Reserve, LNR, and I'm just down to get some more windfall wood to make things from, or for Jane to make little characters from. So I'm looking for some green hazel today, but only a small quantity, and I've just got my bow saw with me. It's ancient woodland, mixed trees, and we're not far from a Roman road, but this originally would have been part of the Rockingham Forest, which I believe it used to stretch as far as Nottingham, but I'm not 100% sure. And this is where I used to be a volunteer, along with East Carlton Park, Bluebell, through Sale, and I've done a bit of work in Derbyshire as well. But today it's solely scavenging anything fallen I can use on the lathe, or some green hazel for making some characters, which I will show you on this video. This is hazel, and normally, unless it's coppiced, it only lives for about 75 years. But if it's coppiced, it can live for 300 years. And you can see this one's a bit straggly, and I shall be taking out that one there, and possibly this one. And the thinner ones is obviously the latest growth, these. So if I cut it there, it will start growing again from the base, and all I'm using is a bow saw. This is what I'm just taking, 3 small pieces. I'm not greedy, and I only take that's not going to affect the forest or woods in any way. Now this is what Jane makes, or has been making, these wood spirits. So she could get some wood spirits probably out of that piece, and she's been making owls as well. Now I'll be cutting these hazel down into usable lengths for whittling for Jane to make her characters, and then because they're greenwood, we'll wrap them up in bags to keep the moisture in, and then it's easier to whittle with her knife. So that's what I'm going to do, is cut it into sections. The hazel what I got from Kingswood is for making these sorts of characters. And these are hazel wood spirits Jane made. There's 4 there, different sorts, and then she also makes these owls things. Some of these owls are made from bass or lime wood, and some are standing on oak bases, and others is hazel. So this is the sort of thing, and from a metre of wood you could probably get about 5 of these characters from a length of a metre of hazel wood. So the wood I got today would probably last 3 or 4 months, but if it dries out too quickly, then it's more difficult to carve or whittle with a knife. But thanks for watching. It's only a short video to do with wood really, and please subscribe and like.